Hello, Oakton Owls. Today, all about OWL highlights JSTOR. We will show you how to access it and demonstrate some of its capabilities. Let's get started. You can access JSTOR through the Oakton Library website by clicking on the Articles and Databases link. Then click on the J at the top of the page. Scroll down on the J page until you reach JSTOR. You can also scroll down any Articles and Databases page and find JSTOR highlighted under Newly Acquired Databases. Click on the JSTOR hyperlink from either entry point. You may be prompted to sign in. Choose the appropriate access type. If you're an Oakton student, faculty, or staff member, you will select Oakton College User and sign in using your Oakton ID and password. A banner will appear letting you know that access to JSTOR is provided by Oakton College Library. If you log into JSTOR after accessing it, you can utilize its workspace. Let's do so. Select the Login with Google option and use your Oakton Gmail account. You should see your name where the login option used to be. Enter your search terms or keywords into the search box. Note that starting the search will bring up options to switch from keyword to author, title, or publication search. It also shows you how many results you will get before you hit enter on your search. You can use this number as a guide on whether you need to expand or narrow your search terms. Once you click through, note that you can change how you sort the search results or limit the results based on source type. You can also limit the results based on date range. Your limiters will appear at the top, and you can easily remove them by clicking on the X next to individual filters or by clicking the Remove All Filters hyperlink. One of the coolest things about JSTOR is that it also provides access to the ArtStore visual collections, which means that there are quite a few primary resources and archives you have access to. As a result, its date range offers the option to search in both CE for the Common Era and BCE for before the Common Era. You can also choose to limit by subject by searching your results for a subject topic and then selecting it. You can add specific keyword limiters into the Search Within Results bar after completing your initial search. To select a useful source, click on the hyperlink for the article title. Doing so takes you to the resource, which you can access directly, as well as buttons enabling you to download, share, or cite the source. When you click on Cite, it opens options for MLA, Chicago, and APA style citations. Click on the Copy button for the citation style you want to use and paste it into your Works Cited page. When you click the Share option, it offers social media and email options. The Save button allows you to add the resource to your workspace as long as you've signed in. Each time you return in a new session, you can access the resources in your project folder. Just choose the project you want to add the item to or create a new folder for a new project and select Save. A message will indicate the article was saved successfully. You can just copy the permanent URL and email or message it to yourself. The author's name will also appear as a hyperlink. Clicking on it will pull up all the resources by that author that appear in the JSTOR database. From any page in the JSTOR database, you can click on Browse, and the drop-down menu will appear where you can search for journals by subject, journal title, by publisher, by collection, or by images. Browsing by subject allows you to search within specific subjects and see what journals are available for that subject. So if I'm interested in peace and conflict studies, I can click on that subject's hyperlink and find journals with a specific subject focus, which can be fruitful avenues for deeper research. I can then choose to search that journal for my research topic. This can often produce more tailored results. I can then select my resources and add them to my project. If I click on my workspace, I can see my projects and how many items are contained in each one. Note that an option appears to chat with a support team member. If I click on 3 dots to the right of a project, a drop-down menu appears. For instance, you can present a source. You just click on Present and then select the item you want to show. You can zoom into a source or fit height to width. move from page to page, or you can collaborate on a project by turning on link sharing, and then copying the link, which anyone with an Oakton ID and password can then access. You can add a description and save it, and it will provide explanations for what the project is about. The image database provides images with academic use permissions, which can then be added to your projects in the same way. JSTOR is an excellent database that provides not only research resources, but flexible project building and collaboration. For more help with this or other Oakton Library resources, don't hesitate to reach out to us on campus or online.